Welcome to Hazrat Nizamuddin Railway Station. The station is located in South Delhi, India. The station is managed by the Northern Railway Zone of Indian Railways. The station has a total number of 8 platforms and 2 footover bridges. There are 4 main entry-exit gates to the station. Gate number 2 is the main gate of the station. The station has 2 entrances. The main entrance is from platform 1 and the back entrance is from platform 8. The inquiry and platform ticket counter are at the ground floor of the main building. Ticket counter, AC waiting room, waiting hall, and AC dormitory are on the first floor, connected to both of the footover bridges. Main offices present at the station are station manager, station superintendent, station director, station master, and chief ticket inspector. Passenger amenities such as retiring rooms, waiting hall, Divyang toilets, Divyang water booth, help desk, cloakroom, and RPF at platform 1. The back entrance has a ticket counter, sleeper class waiting hall connected to footover bridge 2 and the first floor of the building. Footover bridge 1 has stairs at all the platforms. Entry exit, escalator and lift are present at platform 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. The Divyang toilet is present at platform 6, 7 and inside the waiting hall. This station is accessible for wheelchair users with lifts present at every entrance of the station gate 2 and gate 4 and to all the main platforms of the station premises. There are wheelchairs and portable ramps available at the station to facilitate people using wheelchairs to board the train. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators which have been installed on the railings of the staircase and the ramp leading towards the platform. Braille signages have been installed for all the offices and facilities like toilets, waiting hall, etc. to help people with visual disability. A station map in Braille that provides the overview of the station has been installed in the main entry hall. The stairs have reflective light strips at the start and end to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio containing the information of the railway station that can be played over the phone on scanning the code has been installed at various locations. The initiative of providing Braille signages and other facilities for people with disabilities, including this video, is driven by Indian Railways in association with Yatra and has been executed by Anuprayaas.